Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Welcome to this architectural session on the Model Context Protocol, MCP. Choosing the right transport is the foundational architectural decision you must make when building AI tools. Today we are demystifying the two primary ways clients and servers communicate: local transport, Stdio, and remote transport, Streamable HTTP. It is important to understand that the protocol is constant, while the transport is variable. Think of the MCP message as a letter inside an envelope containing tools, resources, and messages in JSON RPC format. This language never changes. The transport is simply the communication channel used to move that envelope from point A to point B. The messages remain identical, regardless of whether they travel through a local pipe or over the internet. Stdio is the local transport architecture. In this model, the client, like Claude Desktop or VS Code, launches your server locally as a child process. There are no network ports, no URLs, and no HTTP involved. Instead, they communicate directly through stdin and stdout. This is a one-to-one connection. Only one client can talk to one process, making it ideal for local development and personal tools confined to a single machine. Streamable HTTP represents the remote transport architecture. Here, the server runs as a decoupled, standalone web service, typically using a framework like Express. The client sends an HTTP post request, and the server provides a streamed response. Unlike Stdio, this supports a one-many topology, meaning it is multi-user capable and is the standard for cloud deployments, SaaS products, and endpoints requiring authentication. When choosing between them, refer to this diagnostic matrix, network. Stdio requires none, local only, while HTTP requires internet or intranet access. Concurrency. Stdio is strictly one client per process, while HTTP is highly concurrent and multi-user. Hosting. Stdio lives in desktop apps. HTTP lives on cloud servers like AWS or Vercel. Security. Stdio inherits your OS user permissions, whereas HTTP requires you to build dedicated authentication layers. You eventually hit an architectural fork in the road, based on where your server needs to run. If the tool is only for you on your own computer, deploy via Stdio. If it needs to be reachable by others or run in the cloud, you must deploy via Streamable HTTP. Remember, your hosting requirement strictly dictates your transport. You cannot share a local Stdio server over the internet. Most developers follow a specific deployment trajectory. You typically start with Stdio for rapid prototyping and testing using the MCP inspector. Once the logic is solid, you migrate to Streamable HTTP for production launch by wrapping that same logic in an Express instance. This transition is seamless because there are zero protocol changes required to move from local to remote. We are now ready for the next phase, breaking out of the terminal. Having completed our understanding of transport architectures, our next action items are to build a simple MCP client and then wrap our notes and tasks server in an Express.js wrapper to expose our local tools over the web.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.